Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Isabella's Quick Recipes. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make some really quick and easy pumpkin spice almond croissants. And I know that it's been a while. I haven't been on my channel in forever, but now that it's my favorite season of the year, fall, I'm gonna be making all the goodies all the way till Christmas. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click that notifications bell because I post a video every single week. Okay, so to make these croissants is really easy. You're gonna need some stale croissants, obviously. This one came in a 4-pack, so I doubt a 4-pack of croissants would get stale. I know for me it wouldn't, but if you were to buy like a 12-pack from Costco, that would be really good because the staler, the better. That way they could suck up all the moisture without getting all soggy. In a bowl, I'm going to be adding some almond flour. This complete recipe is always going to be listed down below in the description. And you could always customize this if you want to make more. You could go ahead and double the recipe or triple it. This one is enough for 4 croissants. To the almond flour, you're going to be adding some softened butter, brown sugar, flour, nutmeg, ginger, cinnamon, 1 egg, and last but not least, some pumpkin puree. Give everything a good mix, and if you guys like twice baked croissants, or if you always have leftover croissants, I have quite a few different variations on my channel. I'll leave all the links at the end of this video, so stay tuned and check them out because I have like a Bavarian cream croissant and I have a raspberry rose croissant. Now that we have this beautiful pumpkin cream ready, it's time to stuff these little guys. Look at these, smell heavenly. One of the reasons why I didn't buy 12 was because I just don't trust myself with 12 croissants. Open this up slightly, not all the way, and you're gonna smear a little bit, I would say about 2 tablespoons. Just evenly put it on the bottom. Don't put too much because the more you put, the more longer this will take to bake because this is kind of like a custard filling and it needs to bake well. So that's one thing that you need to watch out for. Close the croissant and put a little bit more on top. I have here some almonds. These are sliced almonds. Just gonna add a few right over the top. Oh, so pretty. Put this on a baking sheet. Alright, now that they're all set, you're going to bake these for around 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The croissants are ready. Who's excited? The house smells just like literal fall with all these spices. What you're going to want to do is open it and make sure that the pumpkin is cooked. If it's still gooey in the middle, you're gonna want to cover it with foil just so that the almonds don't get more brown, and you're gonna want to make sure that this filling is fully set. These wouldn't be complete without a dusting of powdered sugar. And now for the best part, taste test time. This croissant is looking 10 out of 10, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, the smell is just intoxicating. Look at that glisten. Let's look what it looks like inside. That's what the inside looks like. As you can see, this is a very important part. I can't stress it enough. Make sure the middle is cooked. Cheers. Oh my gosh, the spices in here. I didn't just add pumpkin spice. I added like the cinnamon, the ground ginger, the nutmeg. All of those really stand out here. They give the pumpkin such wonderful notes. The almonds add such a nice crunch and earthiness with the buttery croissants. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 this fall season. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you try it out, and as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.